Hello, it's me again. I've got my dogs out here. They want to go fishing so bad that they're trying to fish for tadpoles. Tadpole hunting in Alabama with jacked up weenie pinchers. Juliet, come get this fish. Julie, come on, where's the fish? Get in there and get it. Get that fish. Come on, girl, get it. Get the fish. Come on. Come on, Julie.
Jeannie thinks she's holding her.
Come on. Come on.